This is Tech Coach Ralph, and this is an introductory video to the Patreon that I created. The purpose of the Patreon is to get to work a little bit closer with a core group of people who I can better assist in their technical journey, whether that is trying to navigate after finishing a course or completing a boot camp and now you're trying to find a job and you're not sure what to do. You have a resume, but you don't have much experience. You don't have any, and you don't have any details of like, all right, what do I do? What should I put on my resume? Especially if I don't have any experience, how do I form my resume? How do I not make my resume sound like everybody else? Right. Then as well, how do I prepare for an interview? What are some interview questions that I might get? What are some interview tips? How do I impress the interviewer so they say that, oh yeah, I definitely want to work with this person. This person would be a valuable asset on our team, right? Different tools that are going to be provided in the Patreon, and including that, it's going to be like all the tools that I've used to get to where I'm at, right? How I work, how I'm able to enjoy the work that I've been doing for the past 15 years. Because a lot of people are looking for like they take work as something that I have to do and not something that I enjoy doing. But me, I enjoy all the work that I do, even when it's stressful, even when it's crazy, even when it's chaotic. It's all fuel to the fire. So the purpose of the Patreon is to give everything that I have, everything that I've used, all my templates, all my ideas, all of that. I want to give it to you. And there's going to be three levels of the Patreon to start off with, at least. And one of the most important reasons that I'm doing it the way that I'm structuring it is to make it cost efficient, right? I know that you guys have paid a crazy amount of money on different courses, monthly fees, like loans to be able to pay for like boot camps and stuff like that. And they make promises to you that you're gonna get this, you're gonna get that, and then now you get to this point and you're like, okay, where's my pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, right? I don't make these type of promises. I don't sell you a fairy tale. I'm gonna tell you the truth. It's gonna be a lot of work, but if you want to win, if you want to be successful, then invest in yourself. And I'm purposely doing it that way to keep the cost very low. And I'm going to give you everything that I've used, so you can be able to level up and try to like either trying to finish that transition into a new career, land that first job, or if you're already working in the tech industry and you want to move up, you want to grow, but you're not sure how to do it, how to switch companies, all of that stuff. I'm going to give you what I've done to get to where I'm at today. And then, so in the plans, there's going to be a basic entry plan, real low cost, but it's going to offer like tons of benefits. If you see the YouTube videos that I do and you think that's informative, wait till you see the videos that I'm going to put in the Patreon, which like going through how I set up my LinkedIn, going down how I set up my resume, doing live sessions where we strategically go to how to improve ourselves, where we do like learning exercises, we do courses together, right? And we check in on each other, and we hold each other accountable. And then and then like the higher level plans where I'll be offering one-on-one personal calls, personal coaching, depending on the tier, the amount of time that you get monthly will be different. But we are going to where we can go through your resume together, where we can get ready for interviews, all of that type of stuff, right? So that is the goal for the Patreon. I'm making myself available to you, and I'm not going to be like, especially for the higher tiers, right? The entry level tier, anyone can sign up for it, and you can get that general information of how I got to where I'm at, get all my templates, get all my thoughts, get all my recommendations in there, right? But for the higher level tiers, right? And the higher level tiers are more designed for people who are already working, because like I prefer to work with people who are already working in the tech industry, and that way I can help you move up. But getting that first job, it's hard, right? And I just like it's hard for me to, even if it's like a little bit of money, right? To take money from people who like they generally don't really have it, right? And it's like I'd rather you just start getting some money, and that's why like even with the entry level tier, I'm giving you the tools to try to land that job. That way you can come to a higher level tier, and now we can skyrocket to the next level. You know, because I want you to be successful. I want you to win. But we have to have the right mindset. We have to have the right work ethic, and that's what you get inside of this Patreon. But for the higher level tiers, you know, resume reviews, interview preparation, career planning, career trajectory planning, one-on-one coaching calls where we will set up ourselves to win, and we also have live events, right, where we can talk as a group and share strategies, and that's why, right, I'm limiting the number of people for each plan outside of the entry level plan that anybody can sign up, but the higher plans, I'm limiting it because my time is limited with everything that I'm doing, and I want to make sure that I can provide the right amount of value to each person that I work with. Right? I don't make myself available to everyone, but the ones who are serious about it, they'll sign up, and then we will skyrocket from there. Those are going to be the ones who win. So check out each membership plan, and I'll have a description, and I'll make a video for each plan to give some more details on what to expect in each plan. But just wanted to give this introduction to the Patreon, and I will see you guys in there, and you will get like my goal is always to provide more value than what you're paying for. All right. The most As you continue to add value in people's lives, you will see that you will be returned with an immeasurable amount of value. All right. So check it out. And I hope to see you in the Patreon, my friends.